My name is Collins Munyendo. I'm pursuing a Master's of Science in Information Technology. This internship has made me become a better software engineer. CMU-Africa exposed me to a lot of technologies that TeleTracking is using, and through that, it didn't take me a lot of time to get settled in and start working on my project.
My name is Albert Hackey. I've been a software engineer at TeleTracking Technologies for about 7 years. There are 3 essential different teams here. All of them are comprised of students from different countries. So I actually get a better working understanding of how well would the way they interact with me and with each other bleed into our existing processes and interactions, our culture back home. Aside from the technological background and capability, can we work together? So it really enabled me to have a feel and a taste for what that would be like professionally later on. So it was a good exposure, I think, in both directions, actually.
My greatest learning moment so far has been the need to focus on clear needs as opposed to just starting to solve a problem before you do enough research. So before we started working on our project, we really had to do a lot of research and talk to the clients, and that really helped us in developing a solution for a problem that actually exists. We are working on a mobile project, a USSD scheduling application for Rwanda.
My name is Ella T. Karambisi, and I'm doing Masters in Information Technology. The greatest learning moment I've had so far is when we started the project, because the requirements were specific but yet really challenging. And I know that I had to learn a lot of things so that I can get the project going.
My name is David Rahamawazo. I'm an MSIT student concentrating on cybersecurity. My greatest learning moment so far has been to understand how to improve the healthcare sector and the healthcare industry using technology. A new skill that I have developed so far, I would say, would be one soft skill in terms of perseverance. This would be through following through the projects, timelines and the activities that are needed in the project, and also ensuring that every single task that I have gets to be accomplished. Now, with this, it requires a different level of patience because you might be dealing with different types of stakeholders who operate differently and would give you results at a different rate. So perseverance will be the skill that I've gained so far.
My bar was pretty high coming in here, my expectations, because I've had CMU interns back in Pittsburgh for the last several years, and they've sort of continued to be the top performers among my interns, usually. So I expected no less, of these interns. They were subjected to the exact same multiple-tiered interview process that my interns back home are. These guys are a little crazy, though. I give them an assignment, and then usually there's a little bit of hand-holding involved, and at the beginning there was some, explaining of concepts, but really once they had a working understanding of what the domain is they were working in and what they're trying to do, they took these things and just ran with them. They're absolutely driving themselves, and I could not ask for a harder working team.